All right, boys and girls, it is Friday. The heat has got me this week. I am wore out. Chase is gone to go to a barber warehouse, a hair salon warehouse. They need some new equipment for his new salon, so him and his wife are going to Dallas. Old Mac is back on the priority list. We got the Cadillac cleaned up yesterday. I'm gonna get the rear brake lines put back on the truck with the quick disconnects put in. And then I'm gonna move on to getting the transmission at least bolted up and installed. I wanna get it in the truck and get it off this stand because I don't like it sitting on the stand. Something could happen to it. Try to get moving. I'm moving slow, I'm wore out, I'm tired, but let's get it done, guys, come on. Got all my brake lines back on, got my calipers back on, my flex lines. I'm missing one clamp I need to go to the store and get, but let me show you kind of what I got. So this is my quick disconnect. So this side, the brake line, is only about that long, but I got a hole right here, so I'm gonna make a mount that holds this in place. And then if you need to disconnect this, you just pull that one bolt and you're access to disconnect it. And then on the other side here, to show you, I got just a fairly simple clamp, but just this rubber clamp right here. And it's just got that one bolt that holds this assembly together because realistically, we're not gonna take them off that often. It just wanted them there so when we do wanna take them off, we can. But Old Mac is not a dedicated burnout truck. It's just fun to do burnouts in. It's just dangerous. It's a nice truck at this point, and those guys mess those trucks up, man. They really do. And we've talked about building a dedicated burnout truck that we're not as worried about, that doesn't have as much niceties as this one. Because if we wreck this one, it would suck. We've put a lot into it. It's a nice truck. Even though it's a long bed, you cannot deny it's a nice freaking truck. It's got a lot going on, and we want to take care of it. But we still have all the goodies on it, thanks to our sponsors, thanks to the people we work with. It's coming along. So I'm gonna start getting this transmission ready to go in. I'm gonna get the torque converter opened up from Circle D and fill it up with fluid, get the torque converter in there, get the dipstick out, try not to leak fluid everywhere, and at least try to get this thing stabbed and sitting on the cross member today. That's my mission. If I can get anything else done on top of that, it'll just be a bonus. I lied. I'm gonna go get something to eat and get this clamp while I'm out because I'd rather go get something to eat clean and not as sweaty and then come back and get dirty and sweaty after I've already eaten my lunch. But look under here. Look how clean everything is under this truck. All of our wires go in underneath so they're not coming through the firewall. Everything looks so freaking nice. The Holley oil pan, the QA1 cross member, all the QA1 suspension, the bare brakes. I mean, just beautiful. Oh, and if you've never used V-bands, you're missing everything. V-bands are life. They make everything so much easier coming apart. But yeah, I'm gonna go run this errand and get something to eat, and then I'll do this dirty, sweaty stuff.
Me and my wife are headed to Dallas.
We gotta get salon furniture.
Maybe not.
Maybe, maybe not.
We don't know.
We don't know what we're doing. We're just going to Dallas. Which way's Dallas? That way.
We just left H2OT. HTO, we were supposed to get one in Palestine, I heard. And I was talking to a guy that's like part owner in this one. And he said it is $50,000 for the rights, territory rights. And then it's another like $1.2 million, $1.5 million build out. That, you have to sell a lot of tea. A lot of tea. This was only like $275. Dang. Business is crazy. I'm just trying to think of how much tea you have to sell to get your money back. It's a lot of tea. All right, we're here at Buy Right Salon and Spa Equipment. Never been here. Oh well, no experience. We're inside. We are looking at everything, trying to figure out what we're wanting. Let me show you what we're looking at. We're looking at salon bowl. What are these called?
Salon units.
Salon shampoo bowls. Shampoo bowls. We're looking at shampoo bowls right now. So what is the price difference between something like this compared to like this? Are they about the same?
No, you can buy 2 of these for the price of one.
You can buy 2 of those for the price of one of those?
About.
Whoa.
Depends on the,
This is the right height though. That's too high.
well, the chair is correlated with the height of the bowl.
Yeah, the bowl will move.
Yeah. But I'm just saying.
For
like,
the-
where this sits, like for the hairdresser,
Oh.
because you know Jamie and all them are short.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but I'll tell you a secret. Short people have shorter arms. Tall people have longer arms. So it really doesn't matter. It's the same length. It's just how high it sits off the floor. Because the chairs are coordinated with the bowls. I can't switch.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
No, I got you.
So see, this one's the same bowl as that, but because this has a lead rest, it sits a little bit higher up.
Yeah.
Okay, what we came really today is chairs. We need chairs right now, 100%.
Anything in particular style?
Show me your least expensive,
No.
and then let's go from there.
No. How about I show you what's most popular that's going to make you some money?
Hey, I already figured this out. We're not making money at this deal. I already figured it out. We're not making money.
What I really am interested in, what is your longest lasting chair? Like as far as like hydraulics, the base not getting wobbly,
Well,
the height of the chair, how high does it come up?
Okay, the first two I can't control. It's not the maintenance, it's more of the abuse. For example, if they pump it up too high and they keep pumping, right, and trying to force it, it could break.
So when you were a kid and you were pumping on that chair, and then the lady was like, "Quit pumping on, you're gonna break it."
Right,
They were being for real.
right,
Okay. All
right.
right.
Yep.
Because it,
Because I was the kid pumping on the chair.
yeah.
So we got to go inside. We got to look around. That was a lot of information.
It was.
What are you thinking about? What's that?
Thinking we can go get some more information.
Yeah, we're fixing to go to the second location. Total on that for 7 chairs, $3.19 a piece. 4 hair dryers. 4. How much were those? Oh, and that was the shampoo units. Oh, 3 shampoo units, 4 hair dryer chairs, and
7 chairs.
I don't know if we had the mats in there. $6,000 something free shipping.
Back from lunch, got my clamp on my brake line. That's all done. I've procrastinated long enough. Let's get this torque converter opened up, get it filled with fluid, stabbed in the transmission, and let's start putting this thing in. I'm curious to see what Circle D did, like if there's anything visible I can see, like, oh, this is where we drilled a hole in it or something. Oh yeah, Circle D. Circle D gave us a koozie, some stickers, a writing utensil, and even some new bolts for the torque converter, which is awesome. And see the beauty inside. Ooh, it's a different color now. It's almost like they just sent us a different torque converter, which I wouldn't be upset. Check it out. It looks so pretty in that box. It looks so nice. I'm gonna get this unboxed, get some fluid in it, and get ready to start putting this thing together. It is in there. I still got to hook up linkage, torque converter, drive shaft, cooling lines, plugs. That's all easy. That's the hard part, getting it in there. The rest of that's Cadillac. So next week, we'll get back on this thing, get all that buttoned up. Once again, thank you to Circle D. They came through, we got the torque converter back, it's in there. We're gonna be rolling again. What do you do in October 26th?
Our hometown is having its 45th annual Hot Pepper Festival, and we're putting on a car, bike, and truck show.
With no entry fee for the car show and completely free for all spectators.
Bring the whole family and enjoy activities like a kids zone, farmers market, and live music.
There's also gonna be beer gardens, tons of vendors to browse, and antique stores.
Enjoy some amazing food with all our local downtown restaurants, or check out the food vendors that are going to be throughout the event.
If you have the stomach for it, there's gonna be a hot pepper and a hot wing eating contest.
For the car show, we ask you to pre-register your ride using the link below.
This year, we're gonna have a top 25 and a People's Choice Award, so make sure your ride is looking good.
Do you want to win a $1,000 plus prize pack? Well, get yourself a Hot Pepper Festival shirt for a chance to win.
After the festival ends, the party continues in Old Town with live music, bars, restaurants, and a cornhole tournament with prizes.
The Journey HQ will also be hosting a pre-party here at our shop with Smokehouse Barbecue on Friday the 25th from 5 to 10.
Let's make this the best Hot Pepper Festival Palestine has ever seen.
Hope to see you there. We are at ALA Beauty Supply Place. This is kind of a warehouse area. They sell a lot of clippers and everything inside there. But everything back here, pretty much from this way to right here, is all used. They have some stuff new, but a lot of it is used. Prices pretty high. This chair, it is used, is $300. They have all these chairs back here. I think this is the chair we're gonna get. This right here is probably the chair we're gonna get. I just texted the ladies at the salon. I said, "This is y'all's new chairs." Do you think they're gonna think that's funny?
That's lovely.
All these just basic kind of looking chairs, $400. $400. Most everything's $500, $400 with 20% off. I think we're about to get out of here. We're getting out of here. We're leaving. All right, we are at our third stop. This is Salon City. AYC. I don't know where we're at, but we're gonna see what this place is about. Wasn't looking promising when we walked in the door, but then it opened up to a huge warehouse. They have a lot of stuff here. Now we're just talking to the lady, looking over everything, seeing what all they have. What'd you think about that?
It's kind of,
No? It's so low.
Well, sit in it. You'll find out.
It's so low. It feels like a kid's chair or something. I mean, it's not it's not.
This is way better.
That one's way better?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not bad. Dad, you like that? There went your sunglasses.
I feel that this shampoo, this shampoo unit, like it's
No good?
Not a good one.
we don't sell that one.
Yeah.
That's the one that you were sitting in. We have an all black. This one we sell. Like
You sell a lot of
it's a bestseller, and
How much is this one?
this one, both of them are the same price, $646.
So basically the first place that we were about to like just bash because they weren't there is the place where we're probably buying from. Buy Right has far been the best place that we've been. I think we're gonna go with them. What do you think?
It's a $6,000 package, and that's the only thing we didn't include were the mats.
Yeah, we didn't include the mats. So we can get pretty
And
much
that's
everything
for
we need.
7 chairs and
7
3
chairs.
shampoo units,
3 shampoo units and 4
dryers,
dryers with chairs. I think that's a pretty good deal.
and no shipping.
And no shipping. $5,000, you get free shipping. I'm glad we came to Dallas and looked at all this, because now it lets us know, you know, like, hey, there's a huge difference in quality.
Yep.
And the way things feel. You're just not gonna buy something on Amazon and understand that it's gonna be the way you want it when it comes to this type of purchase, you know, honestly. So I'm happy we did this. Sandy, my wife's like, she doesn't like to be on camera.
It's good.
She's just, sure, All right, we're out of here. What are we doing now?
Eating.
Oh, we're hungry. We're going to get something to eat. Let's look up, no, I'm about to hang up. I'm hanging up from y'all. This is it. This is the salon we bought here in Palestine, Texas, right off Loop 256. You can see behind me, right over here is the Palestine High School. We've got Lone Star Apparel and Design. That's where we get all of our shirts, our hat, all of our merch gets made and shipped right here in Palestine, Texas. Let's go inside. Look at all these keys. This is what I got when I took over ownership. They gave me this. I think they all go to something in here. I'm not sure what, but I think this is the front door key, so let's go inside. Super busy. I almost forgot that we're loading up this today. I had these people came from, where'd y'all come from?
Sackle
Sackle?
in Nacogdoches County.
Okay, so close to Nacogdoches?
Yes.
Awesome. They have a restaurant. What's it called?
What the Fork Cafe.
What the Fork. I looked it up on Facebook, and it looks like they've got some really good food.
Absolutely.
It looks good. I'm gonna have to make a stop in over there, but they're gonna put this F100 on the wall. They're gonna put their logo on the door, and we just finally got it loaded up. I called my buddy Adam. And what was your name again, sir?
Mark.
Mark and
Kimberly.
Mark and Kimberly. They came to pick up this F100. We got it loaded up, and they're about to head it back. Or y'all gonna put it on the wall tonight and everything.
Not tonight, yeah.
Tomorrow, maybe.
But What the Fork Cafe on Facebook, and you'll be able to see it once you
Yeah.
put it on the wall.
So if y'all are in the area, check them out. What the Fork Cafe, and y'all can go by and see this F100 hanging in their restaurant. Anyways, it's hot as crap. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm headed back to the salon. I've got to get back to work and clean up some more. That's what I've been doing today, and they're gonna take this home.